Babo Kabalen.
Alright! Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, kasama po natin si Mizzy, ang reigning Mutya ng Angeles. Nagpapasalamat kami Beautederm SM Pampanga for inviting us. Guys, we're gonna help Mizzy get premium kit today with Beautederm. So, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Nano Babo Kabalen. Welcome to Beautederm SM Pampanga. Ito po ako ng premium set.
Hi Mizzy!
Hello po.
Yon, so ano yung nasa loob ng premium set nila?
So, bali meron po silang toner, then caffeine whitening soap, day cream, and tatlong night creams po.
Okay. How much is this, ma'am?
6,000.
6,000, sorry, 6,500. So usually for the premium kit, mga ilang araw mo na yung gagamitin, Mizzy?
And good for 4 months na po.
Oh, okay. So ano yung gamit ng mga night creams?
Ito po, night cream 1 for whitening,
Okay.
para po sa mga pimples, scars, or marks. Then night cream 2 is for moisturizing. Then night cream 3 is for anti-aging or para mag-firm po lalo yung skin ng
Hello Miss! So I heard meron din silang mga product dito for men. So ma'am, ano po yung mga product niyo for men dito?
Sir, meron kami bronze, anti-perspirant spray, sir, light pomade.
Oh, so mayroon din silang mga pomade pala dito. Nice! So, hindi lang pampababae pala ang Beautederm, so meron na rin silang pang lalaki.
Thanks again for being with us, no? So, what can you say about Beautederm?
Beautederm is really an essential products for everyone dahil marami po silang products to offer from face until sa body. There's a lot of products you can try po. Almost 2 years na po, since 2019.
And then, what products yung mga you can't live without?
Of course, yung set po nila, since ito yung parang essential for everyday use to remove dirt for galing sa pollution na nalalanghap natin everyday. Okay, aside from the beauty set, ito din yung mga ginagamit ko na essentials for me everyday. So una, itong beauty balm, since medyo mainit yung panahon ngayon, nagda-dry yung mga lips natin. And of course, itong sanitizer spray, since pandemic ngayon and kailangan natin mag-sanitize ng hands from time to time, ito din yung laging nasa bag ko. Ngayon, maano sa amin pag summer yung Soleil. Sunscreen mist siya with SPF 70. Good for all skin types na siya. Maganda rin yung Visage Spray Hydrate kasi lalo na ngayon pag mainit, ganyan. Spray mo lang siya sa face mo tapos instant fresh ka na. Meron din siyang moisturizing act.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us in this video. Thank you so much Beautederm for inviting us, and congratulations po for another branch dito sa SM City Pampanga.
So they are located sa may SM Annex. Ang pinaka-landmark nila is yung katapat lang siya ng Ace Hardware and JB Music.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.